Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you how to delete a GCash transaction history. Hey guys, so if you're wondering how to delete your GCash transaction history, then here's how to do it. Unfortunately, GCash does not allow users to delete or clear the transaction history. So, this is your transaction history right here. But what you can do is you need to manage the visibility by downloading your GCash transaction statement. So how to download that? You just want to request transaction history and they will send you a history to your email. And you want to keep a personal copy or by hiding notifications and receipts from your phone if you just want privacy. If you really need past transaction removed due to errors or disputes, the only way is to contact GCash support and request a review, but they can't erase them. Only correct issues if it's a mistaken or fraudulent transaction. But one thing is that they will automatically delete it as like 1 week or 2 weeks after the transaction. So just like mine, I have a transaction on August 13, but it is already deleted. So that's all on how to delete